Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. These are few examples of the ones that we do. Today we are going to introduce you PPF, Paint Protection Film. We do it in two ways: transparent without a map or with a map. The map will be in black or in white. And the abilities of this material: self-healing. Basically, in case that receives any light scratches, you will sort it out by applying heat or warm water. Qualities: highly transparent, waterproof, scratch-proof, petrol-proof, color fade-proof, resistance to yellowing, easy to install, and as well to remove. At the time of the application, you apply it with water. PPF is with water. The bottle will have a ratio of 500 ml of water to half teaspoon of non-color baby shampoo. You squeeze the water from the center to the edges. Make sure the middle of it hasn't got any bubbles produced with the water that is inside. And then you make your way to the edges until you get to the top. The map always faces north, always on the real scale. To the left you will find South America and so on. To the right you will find China, the tons, and all the description of the world. It's easy to install, as you can see, and it's really amazing and changes completely the look of the bike. The last touches, as you can see here, and that is the result. Beautiful, really nice, totally different bike, especially for this kind of adventure bikes. So we have two options for this bike: PPF or non-PPF. Check our prices. In case of a doubt, drop us a line. info@BMWworldstickers.com or BMWworldstickers.com as well. Check us out in our website. Hope you like it and safe rides.